Hello guys, ito na yung yung ginawa natin, yung binabad natin na chia seeds. We soaked this yesterday, so now it's ready to use for my juice. I will add, about 2 spoons. Yeah, and then I'm always putting this in the fridge. And then you will drink soursop juice. So refreshing. Soursop juice with chia seeds. Yum na to!